Hello everyone. Today we will start with our different method of composting. That is indoor method. First one we'll see the indoor method. In the indoor method of composting, organic waste are sprayed in a cattle shed to serve as a bedding. Urine soaked material along with dung is removed every day and form into a layer of about 15 centimeters thick at suitable sites. Urine soaked earth scraped from cattle sheds is mixed with water and sprinkled over a layer of waste twice or thrice a day. Layering process continue for about a fortnight. A thin layer of well decomposed compost is sprinkled over top and the heap given a turning and reform. Old compost act as an inoculum for decomposing the material. The heap is left undisturbed for about a month. Then it is thoroughly moistured and given a turning. The compost is ready for application in another month. Next is dimension of pit. The breadth of pit is 6 to 8 feet, depth is 2 to 3 feet, and the length is 10 feet or more than as per the requirement. Next is raw material. It required mixed plant residues, weeds, sugarcane, leaves, grass, wood ashes, and bran. It also required animal dung, wood ashes, water, and urine soaked mud. Next is a method for the filling of composting pits. First of all, we have to spread dry matters with the cattle dung and soil in a ratio 4:2:1 up to 2-inch layer in composting pit. Afterwards, sprinkle the water over the material. Pit is filled with above material up to 1 foot above ground level, and one more layer of bedding material without ash and urinated mud should be added. Next is turning. The material is turned 3 times for proper aeration and moisture. First turning is done at 15 to 15 days after filling of pits. Second turning done after 15 days of first turning, and third turning is done after 2 months of second turning. Next is Bangalore method. In the Bangalore method of composting, dry waste material of 25 centimeter thick is spread in a pit, and thick suspension of cow dung in water is sprinkled over the waste for moistening. Then a thin layer of dry waste is laid over the moisten layer. The pit is filled alternatively with dry layer of material and cow dung suspension till it rises 0.5 meter above the ground level. It is left exposed without covering for 15 days. It is given a turning, plastered with a wet mud, and left undisturbed for about 5 months or till required. This method saves labor cost because there is no need of turning and regular sprinkling of water. The size of pit for trenches it is 30 by 6 by 3 feet, or for the pit it is 20 by 6 by 3 feet. Next is method of filling of composting pits. It is spread the moist from refuse at the bottom of the pit up to 1 inch. Then spread 2 inch of cattle dung and urinated mud followed by 1 or 2 inch layer of soil. This heap is made of 1.5 to 2 feet above the ground level following above process. Finally, the heap is covered with a 1 inch thick mud. After 8 to 10 months, all material is decomposes and compost become ready for the application. Next is NADAP method. This method facilitates a lot of composting through minimum use of cattle dung. In this method, the decomposition process takes place aerobically. Steps for the NADAP method of composting. Selection of site and compost making, material required, method of filling tank and second filling. Selection of site. The tank should be located near the cattle shed or farm site. Size of pit. The tank should be 10 by 6 by 3 feet in a size and prepared with a 9-inch wall Proper block and holes of 3 inches should be left on all the floor side of tank wall for the circulation of air. Plastering of inner wall and the floor of tank should be done by mixture of dung and mud. Material required: farm residue 1400 to 1500 kg, cattle shed 90 to 100 kg, dry seed soil 70 kg, water 1500 to 2000 liter or kg. Method for filling of tank: slurry made of cow dung and water should be sprinkled on the floor and the walls of tank. The filling of tank follows three steps. First layer is given of plant residues are spread evenly in a layer up to 6 inches, that is 10 to 100 kg in tank. Second layer is given of 4 to 5 kg cattle dung of gobar gas slurry in a 125 to 150 liter of water should be applied on a first layer, and third layer is given of 50 to 60 kg sieved soil added on the second layer of tank. In this way, the tank is filled layer by layer up to 1.5 feet above the brick level of tank. Filled tank should be covered and sealed by 3-inch layer of soil, that is 300 400 kg. It should also be pested with a mixture of dung and soil. Periodically, the pest of cattle dung and water should be sprinkled to maintain 15 to 20% moisture. Second filling. At this stage, the process of first filling is repeated and again sealed with a paste of mud and dung. After 20 days, the plant residue contracts and goes down in the tank by 20 to 25 inches. Periodically, the paste of cattle dung and water should be sprinkled to maintain 15 to 20% moisture. Next is Coimbatore method. In Coimbatore method, composting is done in a pit of different sizes depending on a waste material available. A layer of waste material is a first laid in the pit. It is moistened with a suspension of 5 to 10 kg cow dung in a 2.5 to 5 liter of water and zero point 0.5 to 1 kg fine bone meal sprinkled over it uniformly. Similar layers are laid one over the other till the material rises 0.75 meter above the ground level. It is finally plastered. Plaster is then removed. Material is moistened with the water, given a turning and made into rectangular heap under the shed. It is left undisturbed till it cues. Thank you.